Hi, my dear students. Myself, A L Bagwan, working as assistant professor in SICAP Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vijaypur. So, in today's class, I am going to explain the problems on projection of plane surfaces. So, before coming to the problems on projection of plane surfaces, let me explain the concept or the procedure behind projection of plane surfaces. So as per the VTU laboratory copy, there are 50 problems are there on projection of plane surfaces. That all 50 problems we need to solve in first quadrant. You know the representation of first quadrant is above XY line as a VP, below XY line as a HP. On VP always projection of front view, on HP always projection of top view. The projection of front view always it fall on VP, the projection of top view always it fall on HP. So this is what the representation of first quadrant, that all 50 problems as per the VTU laboratory copy that we need to solve in the first quadrant. So now, let me explain the procedure on projection of plane surfaces. So in projection of plane surfaces, there are 3 steps are there: step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1 is nothing but resting position of the lamina or plane. Here the word lamina, plane both are similar. Sometimes it may call by lamina or sometimes it may call by plane. So step 1 is nothing but resting position of the lamina. Step 2 is nothing but inclination. Step 3 is nothing but inclination. So this is the step 1. So here this is the step 1 area, this is the step 2 area, this is the step 3 area. Step 1, here we need to solve on VP, projection of front view, on HP, projection of top view. In step 1, we need to complete 2 views, one as a top view, one as a front view. On HP, top view, on VP, front view. Similarly, in the second step, again we need to draw top view, front view. Similarly, in third step, again we need to draw top view, front view. So here there are 3 steps are there, totally 6 views are there. In this we need to solve 2 views in each step, 2 views in first step, 2 views in second step, 2 views in third step, like front view, top view, front view, top view, front view, top view. There are 3 steps are there, totally there are 6 views are there. This is what the steps. So now in problems, only a problem will be given to you. In that problem, that all dimensions and all conditions will be there. So from the first you need to read the given problem once or twice and try to understand what the data are given and what he is asking in the problem. First read clearly and understand the given problem and explain the step by step. First we'll discuss about the step 1. As you know, the step 1 is nothing but resting position of the lamina. So before coming to the step 1, what data are required to begin step 1? So a problem will be given to you. So let me explain about the first step. So to begin first step, we required 4 data. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 data we need to find out from the given problem. So from the given problem, first you need to find out what type of lamina or plane is given. Whether the given type is equilateral triangular lamina, whether the given type of plane is square lamina, pentagonal lamina, hexagonal lamina or circular lamina. The first basic point from the given problem, you need to find out what type of lamina is given with the dimension that you need to find out. That is first data. And second data, we require resting place, where the given lamina is resting, whether the given lamina is resting on HP or whether the given lamina is resting on VP. Sometimes in a problem, the lamina it may rest on HP or it may rest on VP. If the lamina is resting on HP, you need to start the solution from HP by getting its top view, then later we need to draw the front view. If the given lamina is resting on VP, so you need to start the solution from VP by getting its front view, then later you need to draw the top view. This is what about the resting place. If the given lamina is resting on HP, if you draw the solution from VP, the whole problem will be wrong. Please take care that. So first find out correct resting place. If you read the given problem, you'll come to know whether the given problem is resting on HP or on VP. That you'll come to know clearly. So that is what about the resting place. And third data we require, that is what the resting condition, which plays a very important role. So we'll discuss about the resting condition. So here resting condition, there are two types of resting conditions are there. One is edge or side. Here the word edge, side both are similar, like plain lamina both are similar, no? So resting condition, there are two resting conditions are there. One is edge or side. Similarly second condition is corner or point. Corner or point both are similar. Any one will be given, not at a time edge or side. Any one will be given, not at a time corner or point. Any one will be given. So there are two types of resting conditions are there. One is edge or side, second one is corner or points. So what is resting condition? How to begin the solution with resting condition? So this is the edge or side. So this is the first representation of first quadrant. If the given lamina is resting by edge or side, that resting condition always we need to take at the left side. That is the fourth data that we need to take from our side. So resting condition, if the given lamina is resting by edge or side, so you need to start the solution. If the lamina is resting on HP, start the solution from HP by getting its top view. If the lamina is resting by side, that side should come at the left side with respect to the observer. If the given lamina is, this is the second condition, corner or point. If the given lamina is resting by corner, so this is the corner and this is the edge. AB is what the edge or side. This is a point or corner. If the given lamina is resting by corner or point, then assume if it is resting on HP, so that corner should come at the left side. That is what the fourth data that we need to take from our side. Resting condition. There are only two resting conditions are the edge or side, corner or point. If the lamina is resting by edge, that edge should take at the left side. If the lamina is resting by corner, corner should take at the left side. This is what about the first step. So before coming to begin first step, these four data that we need to find out from the given problem. Then second step is nothing but what? Inclination. Third step is what? Nothing but inclination. To complete second step, third step, we require two angles. Inclination is nothing but angle. To complete second step, third step, we require angle, two angles, one angle here, one angle here. That both angles will be given, one as a HP angle and second one as a VP angle. Both angles will be given. Sometimes any one angle or both angles will be absent. Instead of that, a condition will be given, that we'll discuss later. So we came to know second step we require angle, third step we require angle. If this second step angle is absent, a condition will be given with respect to second step. If third angle is absent, a condition will be given with respect to this step. That is what, by using angle we need to complete the second step. Again by using angle, that we need to complete the second step. So like this we need to talk all the 3 steps or 6 views. This is what the brief procedure on projection of plane surfaces. So now I want to take one problem. So here, so as per the video you have to copy the first problem, problem number 1, which is given an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side lies with one of its edges on HP such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Draw the projection. This is the given problem. This problem is asked n number of times in the main examination. So now, so you know the procedure. So what data we require? There are 3 steps are there. What data are required for the first step? What angle is required for second step, third step and fourth step? So let me explain once again about second step and third step. So two angles will be given, one as a HP angle, second as a VP angle. Here there is a question, which angle has to be used in the second step, which angle has to be used in the third step. Let me make it clear. If the lamina is resting on HP, if the lamina is resting on HP, second step we need to use HP angle, third step we need to use the VP angle. If the lamina is resting on VP, second step we must go with the VP angle, third step HP angle or the remaining angle. This is what about the angle, how we have to select. If the lamina is resting on HP, second step we must go with the HP angle, third step VP angle. If the lamina is resting on VP, second step we need to go with the VP angle, third step the HP angle. This is what how we have to select the angle for the second step and third step. So now again I'll come back to the problem. So you know this is what the given problem, and you know what data are required for the first step, which angle has to be selected for the second step, which angle has to be selected for the third step. You know the procedure. Okay, so first take the given data step by step. This is the given data. So step 1, for step 1 we require 4 data. For step 1 we require 4 data that already we discussed here. So here step 1, the 4 data we required. First you need to find out type of the lamina with the dimension, resting place, resting condition. That resting condition that we need to take at the left side and start the solution. This is the required data. Now we'll find out the same data from the given problem. This is the given problem that already I read. So now given data for the step 1. So an equilateral triangular lamina, the given problem is on equilateral triangular lamina of sides 25 mm. It means for the first step, first data is given equilateral triangular lamina. Equilateral triangular lamina, the side distance is given 25 mm. Okay. So now lies with one of its edges on HP. The second data we need to find out the resting place. So here we came to know the given lamina is resting on HP. The given lamina is resting on HP. Third data we required what? The resting condition. Whether the given lamina is resting by edge or corner. Yes, given clearly lies means what? Rest on. Lies with one of its edges on HP. So this edges means what? This is the resting condition that we require third data. So the given lamina is resting on HP by edge. That edge we need to take at the left side. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 data we got. It means the given type of lamina is triangular lamina. The side distance is given 25 mm, which is resting on HP by edge. That edge we need to take at the left side and we need to start the solution. So now we'll begin the solution. So as we discussed, all 50 problems that we need to solve in the first quadrant. So represent the first quadrant. Draw XY line. Should be in caps lock. Above XY line always VP, below XY line always HP. This is what the representation of first quadrant. We know if the lamina is resting on HP, we need to start the solution from HP by getting its top view. If the lamina is resting on VP, we need to start the solution from VP by getting its front view. Now we came to know in this problem the given lamina is resting on HP. It means we need to start the solution from HP. So the given problem is triangular lamina, side distance is given 25 mm, resting condition is edge. It means edge should be at the left side. So start the solution from HP because the lamina is resting on HP. So take a side distance, draw a perpendicular line. The side distance is given 25 mm. This line should be exactly of 25 mm. By using compass from both the sides, cut to R and join the two sides. So you can say the name, this corner, this is A. Go, you can specify name in this direction for all the problem. This is what? Corner A. This is corner B. This is the corner C. So this is the true length, true top view. So we have drawn for step 1. We have drawn the top view. Similarly, we need to draw the front view. The given lamina is resting on HP. On HP, resting means what? Parallel. That will get the true length here. And so if you see the front view from this side, so only this straight line is visible. If you see the front view, only this straight line is visible. So to get the projection of front view, that we need to take the projector line up to here, this projector line up to here, and join a line, make it visible line from this point to this point. This is the front view, and show the arrow mark on the this is the projector line. Show the arrow mark on the projector line. So looking from this side, we need to specify the name on the front view. See, while specifying the name, that we need to take care. While specifying the name for the top view, we need to specify in terms of A, B, C, etc. While specifying the name for the front view, we need to specify in terms of A dash, B dash, C dash. If you want to specify the name for the side view, should be in terms of A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. This is what So take the projector from each corner and join. This is what the visible line of what the front view. Now looking from this side, we need to see this is the top view. That's why we specified A B C. A B C. Now looking from this side, the same we need to specify the name for the front view. So looking from this side, point corner B and corner A both are lying in the same line. If you see from this side, point B is visible, A is not visible, both are in the same line. So if something is not visible, that we need to keep in the bracket. So here B is visible, A is not visible. It means what? B dash in bracket A dash. So dash, we have taken dash here because it's a front view. A we kept in the bracket because A is not visible. B, A both are lying in the same line. From the front side, B is visible, A is not visible. That's why we need to keep in the bracket. Therefore, both dash because it's a front view. Similarly, this is the C dash. This completes the step 1. Now we'll go for the second step. For second step, so we know if the lamina is resting on HP, second step we have to go with the HP angle, third step VP angle. If the lamina is resting on VP, second step VP angle, third step HP angle. Now in this problem, the lamina is resting on HP, second step, so angle is given. See, an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side lies with one of its edges on HP such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. HP for second step, HP angle is given 60 degree. So 60 degree, the given lamina, triangular lamina which is resting on HP. So top view we have drawn true length and top front view also we have drawn. That's why like that we completed the first step. Then second step, the surface of the lamina which is inclined to VP 60 degree. If you see the top view, will get apparent because the whole surface of the triangular lamina is inclined. Inclined means what? Apparent. Apparent means less than actual length. True length means what? The same length what the object is having. Here, if you see the top view, we are getting apparent. How much apparent? How much less than actual length? We don't know. That's why. So this angle is given 60 degree. If you see from the front side, inclined line is given. So how to begin second step means what? HP angle you have to use on VP. First mark a point. By using protector from this side, mark HP angle is given 60 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 mark and draw the 60 degree line. This is the 60 degree line. And what length we have to take? Whatever length we have got here, the same length by using a path, measure from here to here and keep it here, cut it and dark the line. And transfer the same name what we have here. This one name is what? B dash, A dash, this is what the C dash. Now take all the projectors in the downward direction. This projector is A dash, B dash and this is the projector of C dash. Show the arrow mark in the downward direction. Now similarly take the projector from each corner. Take from A, from B, from C and also show the arrow mark on the each projector. So this is the true length, top view, front view and the top view. Here this top view we are getting apparent. Apparent means less than actual length. So how much less than actual length we don't know. So without seeing anything, so by using this projector we need to find out this apparent. So here after taking this projector, so we need to mark the respective alphabet where they are intersecting. Like projector A dash, take as a B dash, C dash, like that we need to mark all the intersecting point, then join all the sides. So now see, this is very important. Projector A is moving towards right direction. See, this projector name is B dash, A dash. This projector name is C dash. So projector, the respective projector, same project alphabet projector. A dash is here. They are intersecting here. Take as a because this is top view. Projector B dash is coming here. Take as a B. Projector C dash is coming here. Take as a C. Now by using scale, join a line from A to B. Should be dark and visible line, and join the second side B to C and join the third side C to A. So this is the apparent top view. This completes the second step. Now third step, we know for third step, so we require VP angle which is given here. Lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. So the lamina is resting on this edge, that edge is inclined to VP at 60 degree. So first without seeing, for third step, first we know we require VP angle, that VP angle is given 60 degree. First take a point here, take protector in downwards. From this side mark 10, 20, 30 what VP angle is given, 60 degrees we mark and draw the VP angle here like this. Now the condition is given for third step. So the lamina is resting on HP by edge. So here for third step, the lamina is resting on HP by edge. So for condition is given for third step, the edge on which it rests, the lamina is resting by edge AB, the resting edge name is AB. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degrees. So take AB, this one, first mark a point. The same resting edge AB should exactly coincide to the given VP line. First mark a point. So this name, what name you have? Say A. And by using compass, measure the distance from A to B. Keep at this point, cut it. You will get this point B and join dot this line. Similarly, we need to find the point C. By using compass, they measure A to B. Keep at point B, cut it. Again, by using compass, measure A to C. Keep at point this point, cut it. This is the true and this is the apparent. The same apparent we need to have here. Then join all the sides. This name is what? C. So when you see, this is the true bigger, this is the smaller. The same apparent smaller should be transferred here. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degrees. It means what? The resting edge should be exactly copy and paste in the computer software. So this resting edge should be exactly coincide to the given VP line. Now this is the third step, top view. Now take all the projector in the upward direction from A, from B, from C, and here take from C and projector AB, which is here. Show the arrow mark on each projector line. Projector, now again how we got this apparent topic, the same thing we need to find out all the intersecting point, then join all the sides. Projector A dash is here, take as a dash because this is front view. Projector B dash is here, take as a B dash because it is a front view. Projector C dash is here, take as a C dash. Now by using scale, join a visible line from A to B, then from B to C, then from C to A. So this is the third step, front view. Then remove all the unwanted lines. So this completes the third step. Like this, we need to follow the procedure for all the 50 problems. What we have the 50 problems in the VTU laboratory copy. So with this, I conclude my first lecture on projection of plane surfaces. Thank you one and all.